Sorry, that Julia, first step is going to be what?
So it
Okay.
equals a 0 squared plus b 0 c,
Good.
which is
Good. So it's going to be, I'll write that out, 2 equals a times 0 squared plus b times 0 plus c, so c equals 2. Now, even though, when I tried to trick you guys, I couldn't do it to Julia. Okay, maybe I got some other people. All right, I tried to trick you and I put the 0 in the middle. You know, 0, 1 is the one you have to use first. Can someone be brave? Someone be brave and tell me why you have to put these, do the 0 first. Anybody here? Curtis, go ahead. That gives you C. Then all of a sudden we're just left with A and B defined, so we can solve it relatively easily. Okay? But if not, there'd be 3 equations to work with and things would be difficult. All right, Caitlin. What do I do now, please? Hi, good. So we're going to choose. Go ahead.
A to 4 equals A.
Yeah.
A 2 squared plus b 3 plus 2.
Okay, thank you. For those chatting in the back, just please stay with me here, okay? All right, good. Gabriella, next step, please, what?
Well, that becomes negative 4 equals 9a minus 3b plus 2.
Good. And I'm just going to neaten that up. I'm just going to move that over and call negative 6 equals 9a minus 3b. Now, if you want to divide that all by 3, feel free. All right, that's okay, but we're going to leave that like that for right now. All right? If you want to divide it and change it around, that's okay. We're okay on what's happened so far, most people. Questions and fears so far? You guys are so nice. Logan, next step, please, is what? Okay, so I'm going to sub, so I'm going to do choose, I'm just going to write choose negative 1 and 5. Okay, go ahead.
5 equals A.
Yeah.
Minus negative 1 squared.
Yeah.
Plus B, negative 3.
Yeah. And remember the 2 everyone's getting from because we got C, it's 2 at the beginning. Okay. All right, Amanda, can you simplify that for me, please? Yeah, we'll change the, I'll do that next. That's fine. Yeah. Good. Okay. So this turns into 3 equals A minus B. All right, now this is the key moment of this question right now. Okay? Someone was asking me, they said, when I was doing in grade 10, I did substitution. Could you please pass the pen on? Thank you. When I was in grade 10 doing substitution and elimination, the difficulty I had was deciding what variable to pick. When you're picking a variable to isolate, what's the best suggestion you can give yourself to do? Like, what's the best one to always try and get? Oh goodness, nobody knows how to do. Which one did you guys pick? Sorry? Yeah, it's a substitution. But what variable did we pick here, though?
B, I picked B.
From what equation? From which equation?
I don't know.
The 3a minus b, 3 equals,
I don't know.
no, 3 equals a
Okay,
minus b.
I would probably pick. You can pick whatever you want. Anything will work. I would definitely not pick 9. Why is 9 out instantly? Why is 9a out? There's going to be a fraction right away. Okay. This equation's looking too big for me. Okay. This one here, I'm definitely going to choose because they're nice numbers. I'm probably going to choose A in here. Why would I choose A? B will work as well. So don't erase all your page, okay? If you did it, don't worry about erasing. Why is A probably the one that makes sense? Lily, go ahead. It's positive and it's just A, right? So how can I isolate A in one step here?
Switch the B over.
Let's move the B over. So it's just going to be A equals B plus 3. And you've done that in one step. Now, if you want to do it in a more complicated way, like there was a student that I used to have and he used to love fractions. So when we did elimination substitution in grade 10, he would pick this number always and have A equals like 1/3 B minus 2/3. He loved fractions for some reason. Okay, don't be that person though. It's very easy to go wrong. If you did it differently on your page, some people are racing choosing B. As long as you get the right answer at the end, it is fine. Okay, but for me, it's easier to go about it this way. Question, George, your answer? If I were to choose A here? If I were to choose A here? Oh, if you were to choose B for this one, that'd be fine. You can choose B for that one too, it wouldn't be. But just generally, because these numbers are small, you want to go with the smallest one. Like just as a general rule, if there's something that's just an A or a B, choose that letter. Now again, if you chose B, you can still get the right answer and all as well. Yes. No, no. Because we need numbers for these. Okay, now that I have A equals B plus 3 after all this stuff. Tiana, what do I do now, please? Yeah, so I'm going to sub this. They used to do this sort of thing, right? Remember this? Remember this funny old thing? You guys remember this? Is that coming back from last year? Do you guys do this? No? Some people are nodding their head, yes. So what's going to be is negative 6 equals 9b plus 3 minus 3b. Why am I happy at this step, or why am I getting happy? There's just one variable. We can actually solve it then now, okay? I'm going to do this because I like math. Negative 6 equals 9b plus 27 minus 3b. I'm running out of room, so I'm going to go to the next slide. It's going to come up here. And we'll call it negative 6 equals 6b plus 27. Negative 33 equals 6b divided by 6 divided by 6. B equals negative 33 over 6, which is negative 11 over 2. Someone confirm that for me? Yes. We're good? C already equal to, I hear someone say, yes, that's good, good, good. C equals 2. This is the thrill of victory. Here we go. So A is equal to B plus 3. B is equal to negative 11. A is equal to negative 11 over 2 plus 6 over 2. Where the heaven did 6 over 2 come from? That's just 3. So A is going to equal, B is equal to negative 5 over 2. Now, there will be someone, let's call him INQB 2013, that on their next test will leave me that as the final answer and I will say wrong. What were we actually looking for in this question? An actual equation, right? We're looking for an equation. So what's the equation?
Nothing A equals negative 5.
Thank you very much. I was too excited. Thank you. I was too pumped up. I was working away. I'll edit that out of the YouTube. No, I can't actually do that. All right. So what's my actual equation here then now? Final equation. Yeah, go ahead, Amanda.
Y equals 5 over 2x squared minus 1
5 over 2x squared minus 11 over 2x plus 2. Very good. All right? That's minus, right? Right? We good? Okay. Now this is just good old algebra is what this question is, okay? Good old algebra. It is controlled algebra. This is good algebra. This is good. It's bad unless you don't like algebra. Okay. That's in your work. That's number 1 on your assignment. Number 1 on your assignment also extends this because it asks you to find the inverse of this equation. Okay, right? So if I wanted to find the inverse of this equation, what would I need to do? Yes. Need to switch x and y values. What would I need to do before that? As a hint, Alan. Yes, you got to complete the square. So this is a big. Number 1's a big question. Number 1 is like time consuming. One thing I just mentioned. I'm going to pause this and I'll talk about my assignments. Stop that. Stop that.